Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with the Maine Guide. And on this episode, we're going to feature the Danchel Outdoor Titanium Stove. This is the little case it comes in. It kind of looks like a laptop when it's all folded up, and it does all fold up. Right now, I've got the little sticks of firewood in it. I take this and use it as a little fire carrier, snapping up the little sticks and storm damage wood, and then I know it's going to fit because it's in the case that the stove came in. So the stove goes together with these little tabs, which I like. There's no screws. They don't come off. It makes it so you can't lose anything. The top is completely separate from the rest of the stove, and it all folds flat. This is the little mechanism to open and close the door, which I wasn't thrilled about, and I have already bent this so that it goes a little quicker closing the door. Let me show you the damper. If you've never used a wood stove before, I put a little piece of paper in the bottom so you could see it. It's just a plate that does this. This is closed. This is open. And then it will do everything in between. Leave it just a little bit open. So we're going to go over how to run a wood stove because I know the damper is confusing to a lot of people. When you first light the stove, it's going to be open. This vent in the front is going to be open. Everything's going to be open when you first light a stove. You're going to hear it chuff like a little train for like 2 or 3 minutes. Let it do that and get nice and hot. And then you're going to close this down like a 45 like that. You're going to take this vent. You're going to close that a little bit so that it's like that. And then you're going to hear it go tick, 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 tick. And that's the beautiful heat just coming off that stove. Okay, so after you've dumped this in the fire pit, not the ground, you're going to close this door. Okay, the top, you undo these little ears here, come down. Come down, same thing on the other side. And the top comes off. Again, you got gloves, not just for the soot because it's sharp, but the top comes off completely from the rest of the stove. I like this for 2 reasons. One, if you wanted to use it without the stovepipe, you could use it as an old-fashioned brazier, which is really nice, a really nice option. So then again, tabs on the side, tabs on the side. That, I think the glass one goes in first. So nope, it's not. Yes it is. So the sides go in, the top comes down like that. This goes on the top in the case, and the legs fold under like that. Don't lose this. Very important. So it all folds down like that and goes into the case. I'm Lisa DeHart. You've just spent 3 minutes with the Maine Guide.